Fluke 301 dot. It is a CATIII 300 watt, 600 amp AC/DC current cam. It 6,000 count. Its mouth is a 34 mm. It use 2 pieces of AAA battery. Its weight is 154 grams. Its size is 190 mm times 52 mm times 60 mm. AC current is 0.01 amp to 600 amp. DC current is 0.01 amp to 600 amp. AC voltage is 0.1 watt to 600 watt. DC voltage is 0.1 watt to 600 watt. Resistor ring is 600 ohm to 60 k ohm. Current frequency is 9.999 Hz to 99.99 kHz. And voltage frequency is 9.999 Hz to 99.99 kHz. Capacitor is 9.999 μF to 999.9 μF. It has die test function, data hold function, flashlight function. APO is auto power off function. When not used 20 minutes may be auto power off. Okay, let's see the meter. And meter function explain. There is a 301 dot. It say that the meter is the band type multimeter. And it only sold in China. Of this band type meter. And this is a AC/DC current cam. But this meter no true RMS function. Okay, let's see the meter. The inside. There is have a environment document of the product. Passed or Fluke of the manufacturing passed. And safety information. And a simple user menu. And a P2P of AAA battery. And that is a normal 4mm plug test lead. it marked TL75 for this test tip. And that is I have a cap for cap the test tip. A normal Fluke test tip. And let's see the meter. There is the 301 dot meter, and there is the serial number. I close it first, and there is the battery compartment. I put the battery in and testing. There is the compartment. And let's explain the meter. In the downside, they have a off key. And next one is the AC voltage. And put the yellow key maybe to the hertz function. And next is DC voltage test function. It's so DC voltage test. And next is resistor test function. Now in kΩ. And put once maybe to the capacity function. Put again maybe turn to the die test function. And put again maybe return to the resistor function and continuity function. And next is AC current test function. AC current. And put the yellow key maybe to the frequency. And next is the DC current test function. Now in DCM. And put the yellow key maybe turn to the 0. And it must be test on DC maybe good accuracy by one part of the 0. Now see. Now is put the 0. Try again. Now is 0.16 amp. Now is 0. 0 the DC current. Now it show the 0 or 2. There may be accuracy of the testing for DC current. Next is the whole key in this way. That is the whole key. Okay. Let's see the meter special function by the user menu. The menu say that put this key maybe to the hertz. Okay. And testing the current, then maybe select to the current mode and AC. And put the yellow key maybe to the hertz for testing the current in the circuit. And that is the battery compartment, how to input the battery. And that is the whole key in this size, whole key. And when bigger than 30 watt, then maybe have a sub logo, Thunder logo come out. Okay. And the die test function might be in resistor wing, by passing this to turn to the die or continuity in cap. Okay. When under than 50 maybe B sound on. Okay. And this is say that they have a two model, 301D and 301E. And that is in the meter have a logo come out. That is auto power off. When not use 20 minutes, maybe auto close off. And this say that when turn on the meter at 2 seconds, maybe the backlight on. Like this. The backlight on. And when you want to code the backlight, the time in auto off 2 seconds, we must be put the yellow key and power on and like this to do that. Let's see. Like this. Long part of this one, power on and wait, this logo and lamp off function. They have a R014. They maybe say that the backlight maybe you a long time and not close. Okay. Next function is auto power off function. When you turn on the meter, they have a auto power off function in not you at 20 minutes. When you want to cancel it, like this to do. Long part of this switch and power on the meter. They have a logo power off, say that, and R014 come out. The auto power off function may be cancelled. Okay. Let's test the meter. And reference DC voltage test. Fluke is 2.5 watt. Let's see. And this meter shows 2.5 watt. 5 watt. It shows 5.0 watt. 7.5 watt. And this meter shows 7.5 watt. And now it's 7.4 to 5. A little bit under. 10 watt. It shows 9.9 watt. This meter. Okay, next test. Normal AC voltage test. And this meter shows 220.7 watt. And 189 is 220.2 watt. Okay. And let's see the frequency. Frequency is 50 Hertz. And 189 is 50.01. It's okay. Next test. Reference resistor and capacitor test. Reference is 4.9987 kΩ. And let's see the meter. It shows 4.998 kΩ. Next is the capacitor. It is 120.47 nF. And turn the meter to the capacitor test function. Now is capacitor test function. And see it. It may be 0.120 μF. It very accuracy of this meter. And now testing the resistor. And let's test the test lead first by changing the function to the resistor mode. Now it's in resistor mode. The test lead is so 0.1 ohm. Okay. Let's test the resistor. Now it's 0.5 ohm. It shows 0.6 ohm. For degree the 0.2 ohm, maybe 0.1 ohm, maybe 0.5 ohm. It very accuracy of this meter. 1 ohm. It shows 1.2 ohm. Need the reading. 10 ohm. It shows 10.2 ohm. 507.8. It shows 506.3 ohm. 1K. Sorry, 10K. It shows 10.04K. It very accuracy. 20.03K. It shows 20.03K. 100.6K. It over. Because this meter max is 60K. Okay. Next test. And normal capacitor test. And discharge it first. Let's test it. That may be so 10.68 μF. It very well of this meter. And this is a 10 μF capacitor. And let's see a bigger one, 30 μF. And discharge it first. And let's see the meter. It shows 30.64 μF. it very well of the 30 mF capacitor. And this meter mix is 9.99 mF, and that is 1000 mF capacitor. Discharge it first, 8000, and let's see it. It might be so overload. Okay, next test. Die function test. Now test on the output voltage. Die output voltage is 3.25 watt about. And let's see the meter test on the die. Normal die. It shows 0.498 or 7 watt. It very accuracy. And see the meter light on the LED. Red okay. Yellow okay. Green okay. Blue okay. White okay. Okay, next test. Continuity test. This meter under 30 ohm may be B-sung on. Now see it. 30 ohm. It shows 30 ohm. And no any B-sung come out. When the meter come to down to 29.6, there may be B-sung on. Now B-sung on. And let's see the latching. If fast, that no any response. 1, 2. It may be B-sung on. And see the reading about 0.1 ohm to 0.2 ohm. And the B-sung about 71. dB. Okay, next test. Normal AC current test. Low current. It shows 0.44 M. Upper. This meter shows 0.75. Upper. This meter shows 4 M. And when in 4 M, we put the switch into frequency, they may be fluctuation. Then may not show the accuracy of the frequency when in higher current. Then maybe show the 50 Hz. And this meter in high current, then maybe show 5.74 M. Okay, and testing the bigger current. Now it's in bigger current. And now testing it. In bigger current, this meter show 7.6 M, and Fluke 319 is 7.7 M, and make a high. They show 40.03 or 4 this meter, and higher. This meter may be show 56.65 M, and then maybe hold the data. Now hold the data, and can measure the frequency 49.9 Hertz. Okay, next test. DC current test. When want to DC current test, it must be select to the DC current mode. And now the reading is not accuracy. Before you must be press the 0 key in this one press. Then maybe 0 the meter. And now testing the current. Now DC current is 0.074 M, and this meter shows 0.02 M. In 0.264 M, this meter shows 0.16 M, and 319 shows 0.27, and Fluke 189 is 0.26. Okay, upper. The output current is 0.833 M, and this meter shows 0.7 M, and 319 is 0.82 M, and Fluke 189 is 0.83. Okay. Make a bigger. The output current is 1.587 M, and this meter shows 1.43 M, and Fluke 319 is 1.57 M, and Fluke 189 is 1.589. Okay, next test. Power consumption test. Supply voltage is 3 watt. Reference voltage is 1 watt. This meter shows 0.9 watt. And now draw current is 0.0019 M, and open the backlight. When open the backlight, that draw current is 0.0036 M, and now draw down the current, the voltage for measure the battery low 2.9, 2.8, 2.7, 2.6, 2.5, 2.4. It saw the battery low logo come out, 2.4 watt about. Okay, next test. And the 301 dot minimum frequency is 800 microhertz. It equal to 0.8 hertz. It maybe so 0.799. Okay, next test. And the 301 dot meter max frequency is 100 kHz. It shows 99.99 kHz. Okay, next test. 301 dot high voltage test. Now 250 watt test DC. It shows 258.3 watt and 0.88 megaohm. And make a high. It shows 512.3 watt and 0.86 megaohm. Okay, next test. 301 dot and auto power off function. When you want to cancel the auto power off function, it must be long part of the whole key and turn on the meter. They may be cancel the auto power off function. Auto power off function may be 20 minutes, maybe auto close off the meter. Now the auto power off logo come out, and when you want to reset the auto power off function, first turn off the meter and turn on again. Then maybe have a logo come out. Then maybe auto power off in 20 minutes. Okay, now testing the auto power off function. Now open it. And video maybe speed up for testing. Now. V01D down before I open it. Okay, T down finish.